Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to resend a survey in SurveyMonkey. It's very easy. As you can see, this survey is already open, meaning it had been sent before. So I'll just go ahead and click on this survey, and after you click on the survey on this page, click on collect responses, and you will be able to see the different collectors you had used. You can go ahead and add new collectors, okay, and choose any of these options right here and resend the survey that way. Or for example, I had this link created. You can just copy the URL. The link has been copied to clipboard. You can share it with people via email, social media, your website. Can also use the embedded survey, as you can see right here. So if I click on this, I can easily go ahead and get this embedded code and use it on my website. Okay, so whatever method you had used, you can go ahead and resend it to people, and that is how you resend a survey in SurveyMonkey.